Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. In this episode, now that it's the holiday season, we can get started on some fun winter themed drawings like the one I'm going to be drawing this time. An elf!
Cool, like Legolas?
No, not that kind of elf.
Oh, you mean like an elf from Santa's workshop?
That's the one. Anyway, you ready to get started, Inky?
You betcha!
Let's go! The first step in drawing an elf is to draw their eyes. You do two small circles next to each other with two curvy lines inside of them, two more curvy lines inside of that, and one of these. Now you're done with the eyes. Next, you move on to the nose by doing two lines that are connected here. Under that, for the mouth, do one long wide line with another curved line underneath that, and fill in these parts. Draw a line here. If you want, you can draw lines there too. For the eyebrows, draw two of these lines right next to each other. Then, you do one line and a curved line. The same thing on the other side. And then, two lines that look like that. The next step is to start on the elf's hair. You do a bunch of curvy lines like this.
Do you know what the first thing is that elves learn in school?
What, Inky?
The alphabet.
Good one.
Yeah, they learn that in elf elementary school.
But they don't have to look exactly like this. You can make your elf look however you want it to look.
Can I make him look like Buddy the Elf?
Whatever you want, Inky. Then, for their hat, draw a line like that, and a line there, and a big poofy circle at the end of it. I like to draw stripes on mine.
For elves, stripes are the height of fashion.
Underneath that, you draw a big rectangle with rounded edges, and then two other rectangles coming off of it, with little tassels at the end. That's how you give your elf a scarf. I also like to add stripes to this. Underneath that, you draw two lines like that, and two lines there. Two more lines that go there and there. Then you connect those two lines and make these two even longer. Then for their hands, you do a bunch of curved lines, 4, and then one shorter curved line, all connected to each other. Then you can add a bunch of small lines there. Connect that to that. Draw another line there and draw a square inside of that for a belt. Then you do these small lines on this side too. Finally, you can start on your elf's pants. What I like to do is draw two squares without tops, and then two long lines reaching down from there. Which I like to put stripes on, just like the hat and the scarf.
You know what elves used to walk when they hurt their legs?
What?
Candy canes.
I also like to put a line there and two lines here. For the shoes, draw a line that goes down and then a big curve there. And the same thing on the other side. Then you can add a few lines there. And add any finishing touches, like a design like this on the sleeves. or on the pants, like this. Now you're done with your elf. I'm going to color mine in time lapse. I hope you had fun drawing this elf with me.
I think he's great. I can't wait to take an Elfie with him.
Thanks, Inky. Does anybody have any suggestions for what I should draw next? If so, you can email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com. Thanks. Happy holidays. See you later.
Bye. And keep on drawing. Also,